My strangest dream of life. 1. Everyone sees many dreams, but one dream in my life was the strangest of all. 2. It happened one night when I was very tired and fell asleep quickly. 3. In my dream, I found myself walking alone on a long, empty road. 4. Suddenly, the sky turned bright pink, and stars began to fall like rain. 5. I was surprised but not scared, because everything looked beautiful. 6. Then I saw a small door appear in the middle of the road. 7. When I opened the door, I entered a place that looked like a magical world. 8. Trees were glowing, and birds were singing in strange but sweet voices. 9. I also saw a river made of shining silver water. 10. As I moved forward, I met a talking cat wearing little glasses. 11. The cat told me that I had entered the land of impossible things. 12. I laughed because everything truly felt impossible. 13. Suddenly, the cat warned me that the door back to my world was closing. 14. I ran as fast as I could to reach the door. 15. The sky became dark, and loud winds started blowing. 16. I felt afraid that I might get stuck in that strange world forever. 17. Just when the door was about to close, I jumped through it. 18. I fell down, and at that moment I woke up in my bed. 19. My heart was beating fast, but I was relieved to be back home. 20. This dream was the strangest and most unforgettable experience of my life.